Hi everyone. Welcome to ZautoAi. In today's video, we are going to explore the interesting update on how AI can transform the dental care system. Before getting started with this video, we have 3 questions for you. 1. What are the potential benefits of AI in dentistry? 2. Can AI replace dentists? And 3. How AI can help dentists to automate their routine tasks. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways that AI is being used in dentistry today, and how it could be used in the future to improve oral health care. Let's get started. Let's explore each question one by one. 1. What are the potential benefits of AI in dentistry? Dentistry could be improved by artificial intelligence in a number of ways. Here are some possible benefits of AI in dentistry. Personalized treatment plans. AI can be used to analyze patient data, including medical history, oral health records, and imaging results, to develop personalized treatment plans that to the needs of each patient. Real-time feedback. During treatment operations like cavity diagnosis or implant insertion, AI-powered technologies can give dentists real-time feedback. This can make dentists' jobs more accurate and effective. Early disease detection. AI algorithms can be trained to detect early signs of oral diseases, such as tooth decay, periodontal disease, and oral cancer. This could lead to earlier diagnosis and treatment, which can improve patient outcomes. Minimally invasive procedures. AI can be used to create personalized educational materials for patients about oral health care. This can help patients to make informed decisions about their care and improve their oral health outcomes. 2. Can AI replace dentists? In the near future, AI is unlikely to completely replace dentists. However, AI can be an invaluable asset for helping dentists and improving the standard of dental care. Let's see some of the real-time examples used in dental care. ZautoAi. An AI-powered software called ZautoAi examines dental X-rays to find dental disease. SmileFi. An AI-powered platform called SmileFi helps dentists create and design personalized dental implants and crowns. Yomi. Yomi is a surgical robot with artificial intelligence, AI, features that is able to operate on dental implants. Also, there are many more innovations under testing to improve and support the entire dental care system. So, like you, we also waiting to witness such evolution in the near future. 3. How AI can help dentists to automate their routine tasks. AI can help dentists in the following ways. 1. Administrative tasks. AI streamlines administrative tasks like appointment scheduling and record management, allowing dentists to focus more on patient care. 2. Quality control. Quality control benefits from AI through image analysis and patient surveys, ensuring high standards of dental care. 3. Research and development. AI-driven data analysis aids in research, identifying dental trends for new treatments and materials. 4. Accessibility. Enhanced accessibility is achieved with AI-powered virtual assistants offering dental advice and appointment scheduling, particularly for patients in remote areas. 5. Patient engagement. AI boosts patient engagement by personalizing education materials and sending appointment reminders, improving overall healthcare experiences. So, finally, this is how AI is going to create impact on dental care system. Factors like accuracy, efficiency, personalized service, and accessibility of dental care are all improved by AI, and ongoing developments show that dental care will continue to advance. Hold on. Here is the question for you. What do you think about AI in the dental care system? Will it replace the dentist completely? Or will it support dentists to automate their tasks? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe ZautoAi for more updates. Thanks for watching.